Hello guys, it's really cold out here today, so I've got some gloves on because I need to drill out a bunch of spot welds on the inner sill on the second side of the floor, and I could probably do that alright with the gloves on, so keep the hands warm. And I've got my heater going and the car's on its side, so we can get in there and drill down those spot welds there. You see the bit that's cut away there where it's replaced, so that bit's obviously fine. But all the way along here I need to relieve it from the inner sill so we can take it out. So I film a little bit, but yeah, probably be a little bit boring. Just do some drilling and then move on to the next bit. But what will be 30 seconds for you guys will probably be a couple of hours work for me, so that's just how it goes. Yeah, they're only 3, 4, 5 minutes, but that kind of represents 3, 4, 5 hours of working on the car sometimes. But yeah, I'm not complaining. We just got to crack on and keep going. So we want that side to look like that side. The reason we're using spot weld drill rather than just drilling through is because this outer panel is going to stay the same and we're going to hopefully spot weld it. So I don't want to put a hole in the outside. I could just drill through and plug weld it, but I'd rather use the spot welder here. So there we have it, we're splitting away nicely and the panel underneath looks okay so far. You can see in there. So yeah, 4 done. What, 2, 4, 6, 8? About 20 odd to go, and obviously on this plate here there will be 6 or 7. I can't actually really see them at the moment. Need to take the paint away. Oh yeah, you can see them now, cast in a shadow. That's always helpful to put the torch at an angle. So what? 1 right in the corner, and then 2, and then 2, and then 1, and then 3 at the top. So 3, 10 in just that little bit there. Sorry, you can tell I'm tired. That mass took forever, didn't it? Also, while we're crouched in here, you can see that we're going to have to do a little repair on the bottom of this bin here, which is going to test my skills. And actually down there as well, looks like it might need a little repair there. So a bit rustier on this side. Right, I shall crack on. I've just finished drilling out these, and those ones I've drilled all the way through because they're going to be plug welds, and I might just drill them back from the other side with a bigger diameter. But yeah, they're released. These ones here, I tried to get the drill in, but you can see the chuck's been fouling on the cross member, so I'm going to have to try and drill them from the other side as well. And these ones I've drilled out to the bigger size. So yeah, drilled these. I've just used a flat disc to grind away the top of the sill there, where it joins this closing panel. There's a bit of rust there. I'm not sure how good that closing panel is going to be by the time I've sorted all this out up here. Anyway, that's for another day. So next thing, I will probably just cut here because that's been patched and that's all rusty. But up here, I just want to see if we can find the spot welds. there's a plate under here because these holes should go through, and you can see there as well. That's original floor. That's original bulkhead, and then obviously that's rusted away there. And I think that might be the original bulkhead, but then there's a plate which will be on from the other side. Anyway, what we're here for is that spot weld there's two there, and if you bring the light around at an angle, sometimes you can see the spot welds jumping out. The other thing to note here, which I didn't really see on the other side, is how much this seems to overlap this strengthening plate. Seems to come down to there maybe, but yeah, quite a lot to unpick here. Right, well, that's that patch that we were talking about, seeing from the inside there. And actually you can see I've already been here and marked a load of these spot welds. So we'll drill straight through all of those. Don't know exactly where we're going to come to with the floor, but it's going to be at least past these holes and this dent with the new panel. Probably be about there, very similar to the other side. Yeah, so need to try and see what I can do. I can't really do anything with that cross member from this side, so we'll have to figure that out from the inside, trying to get that off of there because of all this rubbish and patches and everything. I can increase these ones from this side. Obviously that's where we already done that. Still to do with these ones, but at least they're very clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then don't forget, you can see it there, 1 and there and there and there and there. See people trying to take these ends off, and they drilling out these ones and then trying to hammer it off, and can't see why it won't come off. And it's because you can see here it's L shape on the inside, so there's spot welds from both directions. Well, you probably see my plugs over here still, just about. Right, I better try and drill out some of those holes a bit bigger, probably these ones here.